How to create a new account on Warpcast. First thing you have to do is open up the application, or you could continue with your browser. I'm going to be showing you guys using my web browser. So simply open up your web browser and then search for Warpcast, hit enter, and then you'll see it right here. So if you guys didn't know, Warpcast is a sufficiently decentralized social media app built on the Farcaster protocol, allowing users to follow, engage with posts called casts. If you want to create an account, open up this link, warpcast.com, and head over to its official website. Once you're inside your website, you could log in and sign in using your uh, email. So what you're going to have to do first is click on the three lines at the top right and then turn on desktop site. Once you turn it on, you have an option to sign up or log in with email or phone. I'm just going to click on sign up option right here, and then you're going to have to simply go ahead and download it from Google Play Store or App Store. Now once you've downloaded the application, just open it up. Now once you open up the app here, you will get a login interface, so you can either sign in or create an account. Just tap on create if you're new, and here you're going to have to provide your email address. Then tap on continue, and you're going to have to verify your email here, and then your account will be created. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.